Good evening. A Sussex MP has raised the case in the House of Commons of two women from Crawley who say that they've lost their jobs because they're British. Stella Judge and Sarah Pritchard are taking their cases to an industrial tribunal.
They were employed by the cleaning company Janny King, but in July one was sacked and the other made redundant. MP Henry Smith is highlighting their case, but the company says the allegations are unfounded. John Hunt has our report.
Two women who lost their jobs from a cleaning company. Sarah Pritchard was made redundant. Her friend Stella Judge was sacked. Their MP told the Commons yesterday that they claim they were discriminated against.
Mr. Speaker, recently I have been dealing with a case on behalf of two constituents who were dismissed from their job with a commercial cleaning firm called Janny King, allegedly for being British. Can we have consideration for a debate on discrimination against British workers in this country?
Well, if anything illegal has taken place, I hope the appropriate authorities will be notified.
The pair were employed by Janny King as cleaners at the Travelodge Hotel at Gatwick Airport. But in July this year, they were both let go. The official reason the company gave for sacking Stella Judge was her performance, and claims that her conduct was dangerous and intimidating. Claims she denies.
I think it's disgusting. I really do think it's disgusting. I was in work, I enjoyed my work that I'd done, I never had no problem with any other company that I've ever worked for, and I've never ever had a warning, a disciplinary, and I have never ever been sacked in all my working life.
The company told us today that it's an equal opportunities employer. They described the allegations as unfounded, and they say that no existing tribunal documentation filed against them supports the claim that race was or is a reason for dismissal. Before using parliamentary privilege to bring the case into the open, Henry Smith says he'd already tried to get answers from the company directly.
I wrote to the company, I got an aggressive letter back from the company saying, we're not going to speak with you. I then wrote to the company a second time and said, no, this really is a concern. Please will you explain your reasons, your side of the story as to why you dismissed these two workers. And then the company threatened me with legal action.
The company, Janny King, say they have now agreed to meet Henry Smith to clear up any negative preconceptions he may have. Stella Judge and Sarah Pritchard say they have lodged a claim for unfair dismissal. John Hunt, BBC South East Today in Crawley.